Health enthusiasts swear by the many health benefits of bananas. You can add them to your smoothies, protein shakes, or just eat one to subdue those excruciating hunger pangs. Yet, we regularly pass on bananas that become too spotted. However, recent research in Japan has found some incredible benefits of these very same spotted bananas that usually find their place in the bin. Take a look at the benefits below. 1. You'll have added protection against cancer. Researchers have found that spotted bananas contain a compound called tumor necrosis factor, TNF, that destroys cancerous tumors. Consumption of such spotted bananas, therefore, can help in the prevention of cancer. 2. You'll be cured of heartburn. Bananas are excellent natural antacids that help to counter indigestion. They are easily digested, and thus do not contribute to further stomach distress. Instead, the discomfort dissipates after you eat a banana. So, instead of popping a pill for your indigestion and heartburn, eat a banana for instant relief. 3. Your blood pressure will be regulated. To maintain your blood pressure, you must have good potassium levels in your blood, and that can be supplied to your body by spotty bananas. They are rich sources of potassium and have a low sodium content, which can cause spikes in blood pressure levels. 4. You'll be less depressed. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid. Your body utilizes this amino acid in the manufacturing of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that is closely linked to the state of mind, as well as to sleep. Thus, bananas help you achieve a sense of calm, as well as help you get sound sleep. 5. You'll relieve constipation. The fact that bananas can help to relieve constipation is well known. They add to the bowel bulk and ease the flow of motion due to their fiber content. So, the next time you are experiencing digestive or bowel related problems, just try eating a banana as your go-to home remedy. 6. You'll experience an instant boost of energy. Bananas have high caloric value, making them an excellent source of instant energy. So, the next time you need a push after a grueling workout session, have a banana. The potassium present in bananas prevents your muscles from cramping. Other minerals and nutrients will help you gain prolonged physical endurance. We aren't kidding. It's a proven fact. 7. You'll find it easier to deal with ulcers. Ulcers are synonymous with acute discomfort and strict restrictions on diet. This is because spices and many other edibles can aggravate your condition and cause further irritation. However, bananas have a softer texture that quickly passes through your digestive tract and provides much needed nutrition. 8. You'll fight anemia. Bananas are abundant sources of the mineral iron. Iron is one of the main components of your red blood cells that are responsible for the transport of nutrition and oxygen through your body. Bananas supplement your body's iron requirement, thus reducing occurrences of anemia, which is marked by a low iron count and diseased red blood cells. 9. You'll find relief against menstrual pain. The potassium present in spotty bananas helps to ease muscle cramps due to menstrual cycles. Bananas are also a rich source of vitamin B6 that reduces the chances of bloating and water retention during your period. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.